Sorry about the crappy lighting, but I just had a random idea. I am on a work trip and I just finished dinner and I want to go see if I can find some knife lanyard material. I want to get some paracord and some beads, and the only mass-produced place that I can think of is Michael's. Let's go try it out. So I'm in Michael's right now and we're going to try to find some knife lanyard material. Sorry about the background noise. Let's go do this. We're seeing if we can find some stuff to make some lanyards with for super cheap. I already found my paracord and I'm trying to find beads, and I asked somebody where the beads were and this is where they pointed me to. These are not the type of beads that I need. I mean, I'm sure they're cute for somebody, but this is just not gonna work. It's actually kind of funny. Can you imagine putting these on the end of your tactical knife? A little heart with your initials on it. Wouldn't that be cute? Let's see if these things are on a different aisle. Maybe these will work. Would string beads work? I'm guessing they won't. These are ridiculous, but the hole isn't even big enough. That's what she said. I don't know where to find beads. Oh, more initials. Wooden beads? Let's keep trying this. I'm on a different aisle now. Oh, I found the paracord. Some different colors here. At least they have that. So if they have the paracord, hopefully they have the beads close by. Found the paracord, but I don't see any beads near it. There's leather. I guess maybe this isn't a big crafting thing for Michael's to spend any time on. Maybe we'll try this a different day. I don't know. So I just asked another associate, and this was the best they could come up with. It's these like end caps. I don't know that I want to put an end cap on a knife lanyard. Well, this is kind of a strikeout. I'm probably just going to put this stuff back and try this a different day. Thanks for the adventure. See y'all.